In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Zoho subscription. If you need to stop your current Zoho plan, the process is fairly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to expect on each screen. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options appear correctly. This is important because subscription and billing settings are usually found in your account area, not on the main dashboard. Next, look for your profile section. This is typically located in the upper part of the screen, where account-related options are grouped together. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, find the option labeled Upgrade. Even though the goal here is to cancel, this is the section where Zoho usually displays your current plan and subscription details. After you click Upgrade, you should be taken to the page where your active subscription is listed. This area lets you review the plan you're currently using, which is helpful if you want to confirm that you're cancelling the correct subscription before moving forward. Take a quick moment to check the plan information on the screen. Once you see your current subscription, simply click Cancel. After selecting that option, Zoho will guide you through the remaining steps with on-screen prompts. These prompts may ask you to confirm your choice before the cancellation is finalized, so be sure to read each message carefully and continue through the process until you reach the final confirmation screen. As you follow the prompts, pay close attention to any information about billing dates, remaining access time, or changes to your account features after cancellation. That way you'll understand exactly when the subscription ends and what happens next. And that's it. Open your Zoho CRM account, go to your profile, click Upgrade, locate your current subscription, select Cancel, and then follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the process. If you're recording this process for your own reference, it can also help to wait for the final confirmation page so you know the cancellation has been successfully submitted. With that done, your Zoho subscription cancellation should be complete.